Zacks Rank Buys, stocks with a short-term buy or strong buy recommendation. Now, here are more Zacks Rank Buys. Time for more growth and income stock picks now. Let's check in with Alex Kolb, our growth and income stock analyst at Zacks.com. Or are you checking in with me? Either way, it works out the same, I think.
Whatever's best for you.
Family Dollar Stores in this category once again. FDO, the ticker symbol, in the discount retail group.
Yeah, this is FDO. They're doing really well right now. This environment is terrific for them. Runs a retail chain of discount stores, as you mentioned.
Yep.
As you can see here, I'll start with the income. It has a dividend of 2%, which is an industry-leading dividend yield that translates into an annual dividend of 54 cents per share. The company recently reported its third quarter results, and it was a record quarter. As you can see here, earnings per share of 62 cents were 5% ahead of the consensus estimates. They also topped the year prior results, which was 46 cents per share.
Okay.
Sales were up, both net sales and comparable store sales. And management stated, the management basically reiterated how the company is functioning well in this environment. This is kind of, this is an environment that was kind of built for these dollar stores, if you will.
Yeah, I think they all got lucky in this group with this latest recession.
Right. I mean, that's, there's some luck there, and yeah, they're benefiting from the recession.
Yeah.
And basically kind of management highlighting the fact that they're just gaining market share, based on what's going on.
Right.
So that's the third quarter, a record quarter. And, after you have a record quarter like that, analysts are going to hike estimates. As you can see here, earnings forecasts are on the rise. And not only that, after reporting, shares spiked really nicely, and as you can tell, kind of maintained that higher level. What I have here is a 1-month comparison to the S&P 500. I will also mention that FDO over the year is doing 40% better, more than 40% in comparison to the general market. So really kind of a good outperformer here. Lucky with the environment. Not too late. I think not too late to get in on and benefit from this company.
Yeah, you think there's still more upside?
Yeah, I mean, the recession is still here, if you will.
Right. Okay. Yeah, good point. National Semiconductor Corporation, NSM, the ticker symbol. They're in Santa Clara, California. And they're in that semiconductor group, kind of speaks for itself.
Yeah, technology is kind of doing well right now as well. The NASDAQ recently has been soaring. So have the other major averages, but NASDAQ, I think, has been doing a little better. And this, one way to describe what this company does, its parts are in systems that are running more efficiently. It helps them run on helps lower the battery life, helps lower the heat. Just kind of making the systems that they're part of more green, if you will.
More efficient, yeah. Consumes less power.
Yeah. So a good play here, as you can tell. This is also an industry-beating yield that the company has of 2%. Mm-hmm. And let's just go into the forecasts here right away. Estimates are on the rise all across the board, as you can tell. And that is also because of a good quarter that the company had. Its fourth quarter report, it had earnings per share of, actually they had a loss of 26 cents, which did not compare well to the previous year that saw a 35-cent profit. However, even at that loss, that was 41% above what analysts were predicting.
Oh, okay.
So it did beat estimates. And just to reiterate again here, I mean, analysts are bullish on this one as well.
All right, I got it. What about the stock price? Anything on the stock price?
The stock price is doing well. In comparison to the market, not as great, but more recently, it's on the rise, so hopefully it'll go further from here.
All right, maybe more upside for that one as well. Do you own either of these two?
I do not.
Check out more growth and income stock picks by Alex personally on Zacks.com. He personally picks these stocks every week, goes through the screening process. Up in the upper right-hand corner of Zacks.com's homepage is where they'll be listed next to the growth and income category. When you click on the latest headline that's posted there, it'll take you right to his latest company that he's writing about, along with an archive of some others. With Alex Kolb, I'm Terry Ruffalo.